I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to chop cabbage for coleslaw in a food processor. This is a very easy method and it will save hours of your life. So your food processor comes with multiple blades in addition to the chopping blade that we use most of the time. There's a stem. Now the stem attaches to, this is a grating blade. Just clicks into place. And this here is a chopping blade. So you fit it in, and then it usually has arrows saying turn it this way. Then it fits onto this middle stem right here. And the top goes on. You can take this middle part out. And what you want to do is break down your cabbage into pieces that will fit in here, but they won't go up over the top, because it goes up over the top, then it won't turn on when you fit this in. So, yeah, some nice big chunks, but not too big. And then you just press the on button. And this is finer than I could usually get it if I cut it by hand. And see how quick it was? So here you have cabbage chopped for coleslaw in a food processor.